The 10 Commandments. Number 1, love God with all your heart. God wants to be number 1. Number 2, worship only God. Number 3, keep God's name holy. Number 4, go to church on Sunday. Number 5, treat your mom and dad like a queen and a king. Number 6, don't kill. Number 7, don't get another boyfriend or girlfriend if you're already married. Number 8, don't steal. Number 9, don't lie. Number 10, be thankful for what you have.
Is that it?
Yeah.
What is that?
10 Commandments.
How old are you?
4.
And what's your name?
Jaylen.
Why aren't you looking?
Jaylen.
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 What's your last name?
Koehler.
What does that spell?
Jaylen Kohler.
And who taught you the 10 Commandments?
I just learned it.
From? Where'd you learn it from?
Preschool.
Preschool?
Yes.
Good job. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.